What's good, what's good, what's good? As a reminder to everyone joining this live stream and everything I say on this live stream is not financial advice. Please trade smart, trade safe, and stay focused. This live stream is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I did not take a trade during New York. Gene caught a winner during Asia. Oh yeah, majority of giveaways do go to premium. Yeah, I'm not gonna look through my comments to find that. I'm sorry, man. Yeah. You can DM my personal or my Jdun trades though. That's where I get to DMs most, bro. I got you. Got you, dog. Do you have indicator? Yes, I do have indicator. I do have indicator, bro. I have indicator. Premium live trading link was good, everybody. Let's go. Wakey, wakey, NQ gains and bakey. Let's get it. Let's get it, guys. See what we can scratch up. Just please, for the love of all that is good, for the love that all that is great, for everything that is good in the universe, please do not send us back. Do not send us back into this range, guys. I hope they don't send us back into this range today. Please don't. See us in the club and you're acting real nice. All right, guys, let's get it. We got about 40 minutes till market open. So we'll start our daily prep in about 10 minutes. Let's get it, guys. Welcome in. Good morning, everybody. What up, what up, what up? Man, since you started Power Hour in Asia, I listened to you more than my wife. I didn't follow duty this morning, and I'm mad at myself. Come on, Lauren. You're better than that. Come on now. What's up, RT? What's up, Eddie, Granny, Shauna, Sherlock, Tony, Tibondiski? South Africa have the best time to trade. What time is it in South Africa? South Africa time. 3 o'clock? I guess I could see how that'd be nice. I could see how that'd be nice. I like where I live, though. I like the mountain time open. Because market opens at 7:30 my time, so I'm done by like 9:30, 10 every day. Just go about the day, you know? I like that. I like being done early. I miss living in Colorado. Yeah, it's nice here. I like it. It's been freaking hot. I mean, I guess it's been hot everywhere, but it's been freaking hot out. Not quite like Arizona, but it's still been hot. Is day trading actually a financial stable job? It's not stable for a long time. Can I, as a UK citizen, use American currency and trading apps, etc., and also use American trading time, brother? I don't know what American trading time is. No, probably not. Probably not, man. Yeah, Phoenix is crazy. Y'all are literally, I'm telling y'all right now, if I wake up at 5 in the morning and it's 90 degrees out, bro, I'm going to be pissed off. And it's 100 degrees out, I'm going to be pissed off. I'll tell you that right now. Like, let's go here. Let's see what Phoenix is right now. Oh, you know, it's like 5:50 in the morning. Well, it's not horrible right now. It's 82. It's only going to be 99 today. Wow. On Thursday, it's 6 in the morning. It'll be 90 degrees. At that point, I'd be pissed. Oh, whoops. There we go. There we go, Dad. Dad AU. Yeah, that's crazy, bro. Good morning, everybody. Jdun and Gene Ganir for the morning. I love Gene's. Gene's facial hair is crazy. But what is that? That is the craziest thing I've ever seen. Like, why are you giving me a big old beard? Why am I getting a big beard? I don't even have a beard. This is what they think Gene and I look like. He's got a taco on his forehead, and I am apparently balding rapidly and and have a beard. I don't know what those tattoos are either, but we'll take them. All right. Good morning. You guys all check out that new Lucid app. It's pretty sweet. Hey, if you're in the TikTok or the YouTube chat, for everyone new here, if I have helped you make money, if I've helped you better your trading, I need you to type specifically in the TikTok chat, type yes if I've helped you make money. If I've helped you better your trading. Let them know, let them know, let them know. Yes. Hopefully that continues today with DOD. 10 payouts since joining. Let's go. I won't show up every day if not. Let's go. Welcome in too if you're new. Let's get it. Yep. Lucid's app is fire. I like it a lot. I think a lot of firms are likely going to follow suit after as well. Do I have a model for open? No, but I have a model for what? I don't trade the open. I don't trade the first 15 minutes. I'm honestly surprised Tradeify hasn't made one yet. It's honestly very surprising. Their tech is so fire. All right, I'll be right back, guys. I'm going to grab my wallet. I'll be right back. What up? Hopefully we can catch a banger today, guys. Please, for the love of all that is good and great, do not send us back into this range. How'd your in-person day go, bro? That was good. I do not, Earl. I'm looking for a long at 28,792, and I'm gonna try to hold it till 29,565. That's aggressive, but I'm here for it if it fits your system. Sounds like some solid RR as long as your risk is managed. Man, I do have a potential setup today. It's just, it sucks. It sucks that if we take these longs up, we're going back into that range. So I actually really like the idea of building a base level pre-market high, 29,200, retesting into that area, and then seeing continuation up. And the reason I like that, and I'll show you why on multiple time frames, is we not only have it, our pre-market high here in that resistance turn support, but we also, let's look at the daily chart. What do we have here at the daily chart? We have multiple touches around this area, bounce, 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 support, turn, resistance, and then back to that resistance. If we break over it, turn to support. The only problem is that if we sweep into this area up here and then fail back down, that'll invalidate the setup. So we'll just have to see what they give us there. Should I go request a payout in Lucid's new app? Good morning, everybody. Welcome in, welcome in, welcome in. How many points is a scout for you? Like 30? Just like 1-to-1? What up, Jdun? I just requested my payout through Lucid's app. Nice. Hopper Coffee. That's what's up. Anything that looks good, we'll see. We'll see, bro. I've been following your rules. Stay consistent, no over trading, and staying disciplined. Orb strategy. Nice. Keep it simple, baby. Kiss. Keep it simple, stupid. That's what we do. KISS. Keep it simple, stupid. That's the best way to, easiest way to make money. Let's go. 10 Titus. That's awesome. Orders for 120 knives. Let's go. That's awesome, bro. Give that a fire if you're in Team Bull chat, everybody. That is fire. This man started his business. And he's getting orders left and right. Ten Titus said, at Jdun, since registering Antler Knives Trading Co., I have received orders for more than 120 knives and been approached by 4 major provincial organizations and 3 rodeos. Thank you for inspiring me to do this. He posted a picture of his business card and said, at Jdun, you are a mentor for far beyond trading. Let's go. Check out AMC stock. No, we're not doing that again, bro. We're finally past the days where everyone comes in and asks where AMC is going. We're going to keep it that way. SpaceX is the new AMC. Jdun, is GameStop going to go up? I have a $10 MT5 account. What do I need to do next? You go to your broker, you log into your, I'll tell you exactly what you're going to do with that $10. You're going to log into your MT5, go to the withdrawal section, withdraw the $10, take the $10 from your bank, make sure you have your card on you, drive to the gas station, put $10 worth of gas in your car, and go start filling out job applications and go to work. After that, you're going to get a good job. At that job, you're going to work that. You're going to save your money. You're going to trade smart or live smart, live below your means. And then we're going to start working on you trading smart, trading safe, and staying focused. That's what we're going to do. That's how you're going to trade with $10. Do I think trades by size legit? I don't speak another grown man on my live stream. And I'll let you be the judge of that. If I have 10K to trade, what is your advice? What is your advice? It depends how long you've been trading for, bro. It honestly depends on how long you've been trading for. In addition to that, it depends on what your situation was with work. Like, is it 10K that if you lose, it's not going to matter? Or is it 10K that's like your life's work and, you know, like it's going to be a disaster if you lose it? If it's going to be a disaster if you lose it, all right, then take that 10K, put it in the bank, take 1 to 2K out to trade with and learn with. We go from there, you know? Where's your stop loss and take profit at, bro? I'm not in a trade. I can't have a stop loss and take profit if I'm not in a trade. I just don't trust this upside today either, man. Like, if we get above 200, I think I'll have to try it if everything lines, but what's SpaceX doing? Is it finally getting a rebound? Nope. I can't believe you haven't taken 30 trades by now. I know. It's a first. Usually we've taken like 6 trades by now already. Isn't that crazy? How do you trade? Can you help? Can you teach me? I can teach you. Yeah, so ideally on a full-size position, I'll have around 30 micros, up to 50. If I'm going up to 50, I'd rather trade minis, like 3 to 5 minis on my live. It's been a while since I've traded 5 minis. On light position, it's usually like 10 micros, or like 1 mini. On the live account. I only trade micros primarily on my funded accounts. It's very rare I trade minis on the fundeds, and that's why I've gotten so many payouts. Yeah, SpaceX has just died, and people were giving me all that crap for saying, hey, I think we're going to see it pop up and then move down. That's literally exactly what happened. How dare you call it what happens with IPOs? I know. I'm like, we got so mad. People were making videos about it and stuff. I'm like, you goofy guys. Good morning, everybody. Welcome in, welcome in, welcome in. I got a good feeling about about this morning too. I have a great feeling about this morning. Joined the Discipline Trader program yesterday. Nice, James. Welcome. I'm cooked. I cooked. I'm on shorts. Our community just teared up. Yes, sir. That's what we do, baby. Welcome to the show. Let's go. We're going to get us some more. Why are people trading 10 minutes before open? That's a good question. People get mad at me for trading 10 minutes before open. They get mad at me for not, excuse me. Every entry and exit. If you see this, I'm still live. What pair? I'm trading the NASDAQ. I don't trade Forex, bro. I don't trade Forex, dog. I don't read investing books, bro. I don't read investing books, bro. Like the Intelligent Investor, I'm just not reading. I'm just gonna dollar cost average and buy good companies. There, I just summed up the book for you. There is, I mean, I love reading, but just not like investing books, and honestly, not even really trading books. Like, there's a few trading books I like, but a lot of them you're just gonna read it and not really take anything from. You know? I'm from Nebraska originally, bro. Yep. If you have firms like Apex or FFF or any other firm that has their 30-day rule for their evals, then you just got to be aware of that. Always make sure you guys are reading the rules. Funded and Farrell says, let's get this freaking bank. All right, Funded and Farrell. Any specific reason Warren Buffett followed his book? All I'm saying is that you buy good companies, you trade smart, you trade safe, you add long term into good companies, you don't panic sell. Like, you can basically get the whole value of that book in just investing smart. I guess that's not common knowledge for everybody, though. So, yeah, I'd love to see us reject yesterday's highs and move down. For a lot of reasons, I'd love to see us reject the highs and move. But what happened? Where is everybody? What do you mean? It's early. It's early, man. Gene's bringing my coffee too. Should be good on that scope. Good morning, everybody. Let's see what we get here. Let's get it, guys. We got about 4 minutes till open. Need all y'all to be trading smart, trading safe, and staying focused. Getting a long or short? Neither. We'll see. Good morning, Mr. Tyler. What's up, bro? You know, I like the Lucid Pro a lot. Lucid Pro is a good account. Lucid Pro is a great account. I really like the 50K. You passed before, you'll pass again, bro. You got it. I didn't want to lock this door for King. Yep, let's get it today. We'll just see how we react above this 200 area. Best live streamer that trades futures, hands down. Let's go. Let's get it, guys. We got 2 minutes till open. This is your daily reminder to trade smart, trade safe, stay focused, and choose discipline over dopamine. Every day you have a choice when you come into your trading. You can take steps forward or you can take steps backward. It is your choice with the decisions that you make every single day, which way you step. I will do my best to help you take steps forward, but I got to have you committed to. I got to have you willing to learn the right way to trade and willing to follow your plan. What's up, Grizzly Glock? Let's see what we can get today. We got our market open, everyone. This is your reminder to trade smart, trade safe, stay focused, and let's find one nice, good trade. That's all it takes. That is all that it takes. It'll be very interesting, guys, to see how we react up here at this 200, because not only is this a key level right now with pre-market high, but if you go to our daily chart, you can also see we got a support, turn to resistance, and now either a resistance here or potentially move up and back to support. I really hope for the sake of our market and how we trade that we fail this area. What happened to my indicator? We're going to see. All right, guys. Woo. See what we get. Good morning, everybody joining. Welcome in, welcome in, welcome in. It's about that time. First day back trading. What's up, Fidel Cash Flow? Let's get it. Welcome in. My ultimate goal here is to find one A+ high probability trade, make some money, and go enjoy the day. As a reminder, I appreciate y'all being here. I appreciate y'all using code Jdun when you're trading with these prop firms. Please trade smart, trade safe, and stay focused on them. It takes one good trade a day. That's all it takes to change your life. Is one good trade a day. We also got FFF today as well. We're going to have some FFF accounts to give away. Let's go. Why limit to only one? I mean, that's just the phrase I use. If I make money, I don't need to keep pushing for more and more. The more trades you take does not mean the more money you'll make. What's up, Miss Jean? How's your morning going? I seen the market just kept pumping last night. As a reminder, guys, the FFF Premier 50K is one of my favorite, if not my favorite account for fundeds right now, because it has no consistency on eval or funded, no daily loss limits, no activation fees, and no minimum buffers. So if you guys have been looking for a beginner-friendly account to add to your futures trading arsenal, that's definitely one that you want to consider, all in for less than $100. It's also one of Gene's favorite accounts. He made like 20 grand with them. It's $95 with code Jdun. Yep, end of day drawdown too. Yep, end of day. The funded futures family, they paid out over $21 million. They have Trade-Evate. If the firm don't have Trade-Evate, I don't promote them. Is my company? Nope. Team Bull Trading is my company. See what we get, guys. What's the strategy you're looking to play here, Jason? Oh, so now I'm Jason. All right. Jason trades. I'll be Jason trades. Yeah, Jason. Get my machete out and slice up the market. Jason versus Freddie. It was always Jason. It was always Jason. It was always Jason. Always has been, always will be. Yep. Jason, Jacob. Jason, whatever, man. If we're making money, you guys can call me whatever you want. Gonna stay really patient today, guys. As a reminder, if we start moving back into that range, the FFF does not have 40% consistency on the funded, not in the premiers. The prime, probably yes. The premier, no. The premiers do not have consistency. It's false. I'll look at Cristiano Ronaldo. Take that back right now. Yeah, so we will be looking. Last night we had a serious we had a really nice flamingo beak on the live. If you guys were on Asia last night, we had a really nice flamingo beak forming. So that was nice to see play out if you guys were watching that in real time. Really nice flamingo beak break up there. We broke the beak and moved to the upside. So we like to see that. See what we can get today. The dodo break? I haven't traded that in a while. Your premier account doesn't have consistency, bro. It's probably a prime. You're right. Thank you. When it comes to the rules of the props, I usually am. You just log in a Ninja Trader. That's all you have to do. All right, let's see. You got anything you like today, Gene? You have not looked. Let's look at where we need more patience. If we go back into that range, yes. We got 5 minutes till our 15-minute range is in, guys. So I'd love to see us have some sort of, here's the deal. If we're going to see an uptrend today, it's a little risky in general because look at this, look at our charts. What do you guys notice about all these bounces here and then this flip? This is an SR flip, a support to resistance flip. So if we start going into this area up here on the daily, we have a lot of resistance up here. So that said, even on a 5-minute time frame, where it looks really good for a build above like this 230 area, you just got to be careful of aggressive rejections up in the zone. Yep, we're in a whole resistance zone there. Let's see, guys. Let's see here, everybody. Let's see. Let's see what they give us today. It's a good day to follow your rules, guys. Trade smart, trade safe. Remember, 95% of people fail at trading because they blow themselves up and they self-sabotage. So you do not have to be part of that statistic. Let's see here. Yep, let's get it, guys. Let's get to the money today. Yeah, I like ostriches, bro. They're cool. I like those birds a lot. We almost had an ostrich egg set up last night too. If you guys were on Asia last night, we were just about to have that ostrich egg drop, and it just didn't follow through. So that was a little disappointing. They didn't give that to us, but why am I not on TJR Island? I'm too old for that, bro. I'm too old for all that. All right, guys. Our 15-minute range is in. Let's see what we can get here. We kind of have a tight pre-market high and pre-market low today. I'm 30 years old, bro. I can't be doing all that stuff, man. I'm too old. I'm in my 30s, dog. Too old for all that island stuff. He's lying. He's 34. Yeah, you know what? You're right. I am 34. Be careful. You're in the clear. Yep. Let's go. See what we can get here, guys. We will see if we can find a nice trend today. See if they'll give us a nice setup. Guys, got to remember that you are day traders, not take every trade traders and not trade every day traders. So if you have mornings where you don't take a trade or you stay ultra patient, it's okay. Not really, man. How about you? Taking out pre-market low. I don't really love that. Yeah, we'll see. The low. Ideally, pre-market low. Trace into the stacked key levels. Yep, let's see, guys. I'm hoping we don't wake up here. And that's what it's starting to do, is wake up. So we'll see. Yep. Ooh, let's go. Got my Team Bull shirt on. Got my coffee. Come on, Grizzly. Where's your Team Bull shirt? I gotta send you a fresh batch. All you guys should be wearing Team Bull shirts. It's proven to increase discipline by 110%. And with lowering volume. What a dud of a candle. I was just talking about on Asia yesterday. I said, and I give away prop accounts. What if we added to the giveaways and I gave away some codes for Team Bull merch? What do you guys think about that? Busta Bricknick says, I see a woman daily at the gym in her Team Bull hoodie. Yelled across the gym, DOD. That's awesome. Maybe we'll give away some. Hey, Gene, can you make any Shopify codes today for a free piece of merch? You can make it, though, today? Oh, let's go. Well, let's catch a winning trade, then we'll give away some merch later, all right? Let's focus on catching a winning trade, making some money, and then we'll give away some merch later. I won't go to the... You'll have to be in the States. You'll have to be in the States. Gene is like, no, homie's about to have a lot of packages to ship. Let's see here. What's our individual stocks? SpaceX is seeing a nice day up. SpaceX is moving. What's the first individual I went and looked at? It's above its orb. The orb is actually valid on SpaceX. You know, it's crazy. All the strategies I teach you work on individual names as well, just so you're aware. I'd love to see this candle confirm short here, guys. If we could confirm this short, below point of control, below this 15-minute low. Rejection off. I believe this would be our 50% retracement. Almost 38 or 0.382. We're going to do single stock futures. There's still a lot that's not known about single stock futures. So I was asking Brett Simba, owner of Tradeify, I was like, hey, so like, what's good with these single stock futures? People have been asking me. And he was like, honestly, we, when it's right and if it fits our model, we'll add them, but we honestly don't really know a lot right now. So you got to remember, for these prop firms, if they go to single stock futures, it's similar to like swing trading, right? A lot of them doing a lot of swing trading because it's unsustainable. So if they find that single stock futures, and I'm not saying they will be, I'm just saying this is how they're looking at it. If they find it doesn't make sense for them as a company to offer, they won't offer them. So basically what they're saying is you're going to be able to trade futures on stocks like Tesla and NVIDIA, SpaceX, like 55 names. That'd be kind of fun. Trading Tesla on futures. A lot of y'all remember back in the day, we used to guap on Tesla. Guapo. Muy guapo. Still nothing from you guys. We didn't touch 50% retracement. We're lingering point of control. We have these key levels up here, 29,200-ish. Staying very cautious. Let's look at the daily chart here, guys, too. Remember, we're up right here. We're not quite in the range. We're still just below it, but we're in a very interesting spot right here. He's never trading. You're right. A majority of my stream, I'm not trading. Majority of my stream, I'm waiting. The problem with a lot of traders is that a majority of their time trading, they're in trades and they walk away and have no money. After a month, I say, take every trade you see and every trade that you like for a month straight and let me know what happens. Blowing evals on Tesla is going to be so fun. No, not for you. You're not going to blow evals. I think this actually looks halfway decent for a short. We're just no volume confirmation, no price confirmation. Our 15-minute chart assumably isn't really showing much right now. Yeah, nothing. It's just still in this range. Like, look at on the right of my screen, guys. Look at the 15-minute chart. Chop. I'd like to see this candle confirm. If this candle can confirm, then we will look for a nice setup to the downside. Can Jdun rap? I feel like he could battle someone. You know the answer to that, baby. Come on. As a reminder, if you want to take my next trade with me, one of my favorite accounts right now is the FFF 50K Premier. No consistency rules on eval are funded. No activation fee. No minimum buffer. It's 1 day pass, so technically speaking, pass on one trade. Let's see if we can get this aggressive candle down. If we can, I'll look for a retest into this candle with stops above the highs, everybody. I cannot connect Lucid to Nina Trader. About to lose my mind. Who's Nina Trader? Is Nina your girlfriend, Trader? Your Trader girlfriend? Tell Nina to figure it out. All right, guys. I got to piss like a racehorse. Gene's going to come say hi quick. Hello, Mr. Gene. No, please, go away.
What's up, guys? Oh, man. You guys want some shirts? You guys want some codes for some Team Bull shirts? Yep. I'm ready. We have a whole warehouse of stuff that needs to be claimed.
Hello, Mr. Gene. I got my FFF hat still. So, new era. Shout out FFF for the merch. We need some Team Bull hats. I wish I had a trader girlfriend. Just ask Nina. Well, guys, no trade yet. Nothing yet. I will watch for if we get some strength above these key levels up here, guys. All right, guys, let's find a good trade, and then we can have some fun. Appreciate all y'all being here, everybody. 1 second. What's good, everyone, on the free live streams, too? As a reminder, if you guys are on the TikTok, I appreciate y'all being here, hitting that follow button. I trade live every single day, Monday through Friday. Give every trade I take live in real time. And all I ask from you is you tap in, hit that follow button in the top left corner. And as a reminder, if you guys get to the like goal, if you guys get to 120K, if you tap that screen over and over, get them likes up. It's 100% free to like, and it means a ton to me. I try to help you guys every day. You guys enter into some FFF accounts that I need to find people to claim and have homes for. Same deal with you to the tube. I'm live every day, full screen share. Make sure y'all tap in, hit that thumbs up button, hit the like on the live, hit that bell icon, and press all. That will turn your notifications on. And I got accounts for y'all if you guys hit the like goals as well. So hit that thumbs up button, and let's get it, guys. Let's get it. All right, so we're finally touching this mid line here. That's a good sign for reversal if we can get some aggressive push to the downside. The 15-minute chart didn't show us a whole lot. All right. This might give us it, guys. We're rejecting that 50% retracement. That's a really good sign. So here's the deal. If we do get this push down, I will look for a short at 130 to 140 area with stops 130 to 150, excuse me, with stops at like 190. So a little higher point risk if we get a solid close down here. If we get a solid close down. What do you mean? What? Yeah, it's interesting. It's high. 6% is real deal. Yeah. All right, guys. This might confirm for shorts. We'll see. I'd prefer we don't wick above pre-market high. That's not ideal. They're not going to make it easy on us. Oh my gosh, we do need the Teen Bowl jorts right now. So here's the deal, guys. Technically speaking, this is valid. I'll watch it like 130 up to like 150. I don't like that we're still hovering above pre-market high, and we've flushed it 3 times, and now we're making a new low of day. I definitely don't like that, but I'm still interested in a short entry up here. It's not my favorite for 2 reasons. Number 1, we're consistently wicking pre-market low, and it's going to happen again if we do it here. Second off, the second reason why I don't love it is because we're taking out this low of day already. So could it work? Yes, but it's not my favorite. So we'll see. We're also bouncing view up, I believe. And this pivot. Great. Yeah, I'm likely going to wait. There's just so many signs that, especially with what we did pre-market, guys. Look what we did pre-market. You guys see this? We went straight up for all of pre-market. So it's a little sketchy when you see that potential higher low coming in. You're bouncing view up. You're bouncing a key level like a pivot. You're moving above pre-market low. Could it work? Yes, but is it higher risk? Also, yes. We'll see how we react at like 150. Like 150 area, we'll see. Even at 130, like, or this like 130, like you'd have risk for like 190, 60 points of risk there. 160 is our 50% retracement. So we'll see. We'll see. Maybe that like 150 area, we have point of control right there. There's a little less risk. We'll see how we react when we get there. We'll see how we react when we get up there, everybody. Yeah, I mean, there was a higher risk entry at or below there. Just a lot of risk to that candle and a lot of signs that it may not work out. I want to see a bit higher, up towards like 150 area. At least at that point, if I took it and then got stopped at 190, it'd only be 40 points. And you have point of control, 50% retracement. You have a lot of confirmations up here. Maybe this candle can give us something. Top step's fine. Top step's cool. Even at this 130 entry, guys, so far, I want you guys to remember something. Even like we might just die today, and for the sake of our entries, I hope we do. Like let's say 130. If you guys took an entry there, this was your risk. You need to see. This would be where you'd want to see us to get to 1-to-1. You know, we technically speaking haven't even gotten there yet. Now down here at like 29,060, this would be your 1-to-1 spot. You could trim or move your stops down. Or potentially if you're just trading 1-to-1 or 1.5 R, you just take it all off right there. So we'll see. Point of control is the highest volume point of the day for that time period. It's oftentimes used as like a support or a resistance level. What am I supposed to do with this? Even the 15-minute chart doesn't have a lot of volume, guys. Like, if this 15-minute chart confirmed, I'd love to tag along. Oh, no, I haven't entered anything yet. Nope, I was watching for that 150 area, but never got there. This would be the 1-to-1 spot for that orb. This would be that 1-to-1 spot if you guys took the orb entry. I personally didn't participate because there was so much risk at this 130, but if you did, then it just got to 1-to-1. If this 15-minute chart can get some volume behind it and get some push down, I think that could be a really nice re-entry for a lower high in here. I think we could see a really nice re-entry there for a lower high. We'll see. As a reminder, trade smart, trade safe, and stay patient. If you are scalping on the 1 minute, that is an option. Always. So if you like trades, if you see trades you have conviction in, don't wait for me to take them. Take them and manage your risk. Just make sure you can repeat the setup. It's high probability, and you could explain it in a way that you'd explain it to a second grader. Is there anything you like? Got pre-market low at 105. A little sketchy with VWAP in this pivot here, but if you're watching here. It's about to reverse, maybe. It's possible. We don't have extremely aggressive volume here on any of the time frames. Not the 15 either. Not the 15 or the 5. The 1 minute chart looks all right. If you look at like the 1 minute for this support trend resistance area, but besides that, it doesn't fit how I like to see how I like to see volume confirm. See, if we had volume on this push down here, this is exactly where I'd watch for shorts, but we're pushing up aggressively. We didn't quite have aggressive volume, as you can see in this candle here. We'll see how this candle reacts to this. Tried it. I hate this 15-minute. Hope it just dies for you. It hasn't made it easy these last few market opens, everybody. Little one-to-one action. Let's see, maybe this can give us a solid entry here. You lost $1,000. How'd you lose $1,000? Let's see here, guys. Let's see what we can get. I don't love this 15, but yeah, that orb worked. Not how I'd like to see it work, but it worked. Nice job. Dun, dun. Has Jdun made you money? Oh, yes. Made 2.3K shorting. Nice. Yeah, for me, it's just so the reason I personally skipped out is if I were to take orb setup with stops up at like 190, just would have had to, I guess would have just gotten the 1-to-1 down at like 70 area. I just had a lot of risk on it for how I like to trade. That's why I personally skipped out. I think it's going low a day now. I'd like to see it have some high volume here, a push below this VWAP, push down to like 60, and then maybe like a retrace back up to pre-market low. I know. Nice 1-to-1 trade. Base hits all day. That's crazy. Yeah, that's a tricky candle right there. I'm trying to keep you guys safe by saying, if you guys, like for example, if you took that orb there, that's where you take your trims, put your stops to break even. And even then, it's like with that trend setting candle, it was so high, you almost have to take the full piece off at 1-to-1 or take half off and put your stops at break even. Then your R multiple is still negative there. Or not negative, but it's not over 1. Holy chop fest. Yeah, not great so far. This 15-minute chart's very choppy. I'll watch still, everybody, for, we could potentially watch for reverse orb for a pullback back down here. It's a little sketchy under the 50%, but pull back here, face ripper up. For how we're in this range, it's a little sketchy still, but could be an option. Boom, boom. Or for another long setup, I'd like to see us move aggressively above this pre-market high and 15-minute high here. Move aggressively up, retest in, bada bing, bada boom. Thanks, Jdun. I hit the 1-to-1. Nice. As a reminder, if you guys want to take my next trade with me, you can use code Jdun on those FFF 50K premieres. Less than $100 all in. 1-day pass. I'll do my best to help us find a winning trade and give you guys the confidence to pass your evals. Let's see what the low here is. 65. I take my own trades, but I watch you every morning and it helps me to be more disciplined. Thank you, sir. You're welcome, bro. That's awesome. Appreciate you coming in every day, man. I'm going to watch for a potential long in here. I'm not going to pull the trigger right away, but potential. I don't like that we're below this 50%. We've made lower highs, but if we are going to get a long entry, it's likely in here. I actually prefer when I can put on that higher low and then put my stops below a day and have like 30, 40 points of risk. In a perfect world, I'd like to see us continue up, build above this 50% retracement in here, and then find a long entry as we move up into this area up here. I'd really just like to see a nice trend move today. That's what I really like to see. What am I trading? NASDAQ. I'm just a little skeptical in these downtrends. We didn't get full. We just touched the top of this range. We have pre-market low at 105. That's what I really wanted to see, was us to come down, sweep into here, then move back up. We came down and touched it briefly and moved. I'd like to see this for continuation up. Don't ever be in fear of a Diddy candle or a big candle, whatever you guys call them, of a news candle, Trump candle, Hulk candle. If you're constantly in fear of an aggressive news candle or a big candle, it's going to pull you back from all the good trades you can take. Like, say you took longs here, right? You'd want to put your hard stops in. Sometimes if price moves aggressively, it's going to blow past your stop, but it's, once in a blue moon. We're entering a bear market, bro. Shorts every day. I hope so. I love bear markets. Is this setup you wanted? Not necessarily. It was technically valid, but it still wouldn't have been 1-to-1 yet. I'd like to see us get some sort of trend. Can you come here, Gene? I take this. I'll be right back, guys. I'll be back in like 1 minute.
Hello. Hello, 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 hello. Hello. Is anybody there? What up, guys? No, I don't have a load of code with Lucid. I don't have any codes. Asia was good. 2 winners, 1 break even. Look it up on YouTube, Need to Travel. Look up how to connect Tradeovate, username and password into NinjaTrader. Very, very easy. What do you mean, what time frame do I mark? I go live in Teambull Discord, sometimes on TikTok.
Face ripper, look at that. Look at the face ripper. Bro, the higher low works again, dude. I'm gonna grow. Oh my gosh, look at that, bro. Oh my gosh, look at that. Well, for what it's worth for educational purposes. Look at that 50% retracement right there, 115. Wow. This could potentially be the flamingo beak. Potentially could be. We'll see if we get volume here. Well, when price is moving aggressively down, it's just that's where my biggest loss has been. It's tough to put that extra risk on, but for what it's worth for you guys, there's something to learn there. Something to. Oh, we need those jorts. Bad. See what the 50% of the day is. As a reminder, guys, choose DOD today. Trade smart, trade safe, and stay focused, everybody. Percent retracement. Do I trade gold? Not much. And if I do, I don't like calling out gold trades. People find a way to blow themselves up. When you're looking for shorts, I actually don't mind if we pull back like a long entry down like 175. %50 retracement. Previous resistance turn support. We also have point of control then at 140. I just put my stop below like 140. It's not looking like we're going to get it though. If you like the shorts, Grizzly, go ahead and take him. I don't have any longs till we pull back down to that candle, so I'm not going to take anything up here. Oh, man. That was the one down there. This was the one. Let's see what that would have been for risk reward. Look at that. Every time I walk away. Never fails. Never, bro, huh? She Wins said, thanks at Jdun. I was so anxious to trade today, but I kept listening to your live and held off because that FOMO bear was with me, kept patient, and then bang, I got my good setup in time for my first payout. Let's go. Congratulations. That's awesome. Let's go. I'm going to put a catheter in there in New York. Mr. Juan Trades is what they call me. Let's get it. Hey, thank you. No, I appreciate you. I don't switch my strategy. I was a big believer, bro, and I'm starting to doubt that I need a trade right now. Yeah, my AC's fixed. People are like, Jada, I need you to take a trade right now. It's like, bro, you want to take a trade? Take a trade. Take a trade. Take 5 trades. Take 10 trades. like what? Like, you like a trade? Take your trade, bro. No, Jadon, I need you to tell me the trade. Like, what? It's been 30 minutes. It's been an hour. Come on. It's been an hour. I need a trade right now. Come on. What? How I look at it is the market's not going anywhere. A lot of you guys think way too slowly. You guys think way too short term for the market, guys. Market's not going anywhere. Like, the market's going to be here tomorrow and the next day and then the next month and the next year. I don't plan on stopping trading anytime soon. It's you guys who think that I have to trade and I have to trade every day and I have to catch every trade and I have to succeed yesterday. That's what's holding you back. That's why most traders fail, is that get rich quick mindset and that make money fast mindset. Been doing this for 10 years. You know, I've seen and heard about lots of people on Wall Street that have made millions, tens of millions, then lost all of it. I'm trying to keep the money that I made and the money that I make. So I'm very, very patient for setups that I really like. When the 15-minute chart and the 5-minute chart aren't corresponding and setups are high risk and the market's wicking, I just wait. Stay patient. Even if I waited all day, then I took a trade and it lost, I'd be like, well, I lost a trade. Oh, well, I'll come back tomorrow. You feel me? But Mr. Jdun, I need the daily signal so I can make the money to feed the family. Please, Mr. Jdun, give me the daily signal. Okay, I'll give you the daily signal. Yeah, options are very stressful. I mean, they can be very rewarding. But that being said, calling trades live and doing that all is just a lot. I would still be open. I say this a lot, but if NQ got patched and we couldn't trade NQ anymore, I would just go trade options again and it'd be fine. I'd go trade individual stocks. Not that much different. You feel me? Today was terrible. There was a few okay setups today. Becoming disciplined is the key to becoming profitable. Work on discipline first. I say that all the time. People get mad at me. Like, what? You know what I would have really loved to have seen too is a sweep up here at both these key levels, 15-minute high and pre-market high, and then failure down. He's taking trades and he's not telling us, bro. Sometimes, see, this is why we have premium team bull. One of many reasons is it weeds out whatever the heck goes on in some of the delayed free lives. If you want a more organized and serious stream, you got to join the premium, man. Less than a cup of coffee a day. He's taking the trades and he's not telling us, bro. We must revolt together and get him to tell us the actual trade. That is crazy. What? Oh, it's potential we revert. There's a potential that we reverse here. We'll see. Thanks, man. Your psych reminders help me out a ton. I'm dipping with 1,200 times 5. Nice. You think, Grizzly Glock? You gonna get the reversal? I was watching for this higher low here earlier, but I hate, again, when we're going to take that continuation setup, I don't like when we move up first and then down and then back up. If it's a 50% retracement of the day, like if you're overall just having a retracement for the day, like if you're trending up, I don't mind that as much. But even that 50% retracement for the day is down here at 150. Look at this 15-minute chart, guys. We haven't had a candle close above or below the 15-minute range, or in that 15-minute range. Like, Not good. Yeah, I mean, look at this 15-minute chart, guys. We're just stuck in this range. Me and my secret trades. Yep, I've taken 3 trades already. I'm not telling anybody what they were. They're all my trades. Telling nobody what they were. Yep. So many trades already. That higher low's working here. I'd like to see a move above these key levels up here. That's what I'd like to see. If we would have had, this is what I wanted to see, but before these 2 candles here, I wanted to see us move into this area before we saw these 2 candles right here. I want to see us open here, come back down, higher low, move up. Too many people try to build a buffer and end up blowing the account and regret it, including myself. Come on, man. You know better, Jonathan. I wanted 175 before we had these 2 candles. I mean, if you took it, then that's great, but we're right in the middle of this range, so I'm being extra cautious. I don't care about missing the accordion. How I look at it is like, you know, you can wait and wait and wait, and if you can find 1 good setup a day or 3 good setups a week, you're going to make a lot more off that than you are forcing every trade. All right, let's see here, guys. This looks like a good confirmation continuation candle. I'd like for us not to take out high a day, but this could give us, you know what I potentially smell coming up? What do I smell? What am I stepping in that I'm smelling? A potential 2-bar. A potential 2-bar, baby. I'll make sure to take it right around the bathroom break so I miss the trade. Penguin beak? No, it's more of a flamingo beak. All right, this one and this candle could be the one, guys. If we get a sweep of 15-minute high and pre-market high with aggressive push down, I think we can watch for a short in here with stops above the highs. I would be willing to start my day red. I'd be willing to lose money and putting on some risk if it gives us that scenario. You gonna watch for the shorts too? So I'm talking about, baby. Well, that escalated quickly. I don't think we're gonna get our short set up, bro. We still could get a 2-bar, but this 15-minute chart, chart's so sketchy too, guys. Look at the right side of my screen. Just going up and lowering volume and still stuck in this 15-minute range. What a sneaky little snake of a day. Come on, close below. Close down at like 210. We're right at it. 260. Not exactly what I wanted to see. You're not exactly what I wanted to see us close down here at like 210. This 15-minute chart's showing absolutely nothing either. In between these stacked key levels, I mean, yes, we could reject in here, but it's sketchy. Let's see. Funded gone. DOD did not play out today. Come on, man. Come on, man. Yeah, there's been some scalping opportunity for sure. If you had sniper entries, there's been scalping opportunity for sure, but just not a lot in terms of like actual trend. Not what I wanted to see. I wanted to see us close down here and then retest into these levels. Let's see. Maybe we can get some continuation here. Could you teach more? Or is that a stupid question? The only stupid question is the one you don't ask, or if you're asking about daily signals 100 times. But yes, you can learn by just coming to watch every day. I'd like to see some 15-minute confirmation too. Short incoming, it's possible, but not exactly what I wanted to see on that candle. It's definitely possible. We'll see. No trend yet today. We've seen accordion up and down. I don't trust it either, man. Still got a bit longer, but come on, man. Let's see. Boring. Give us some trend, baby. Give us some trend. At this point, give the market some trend. Give it trend and give it trend. Give it whatever it needs to move. Come on. Give us something. Maybe a 15-minute reversal. Anything. Something, anything, something, anything. We need Metallica. I think we might. That's the spirit right there. We need some Enter Sandman. Enter the Sandman into this freaking market. Hey, Grandma is coming to town today, so we're good on that aspect. We'll have Grandma signals tomorrow. I think that should at least give us a short day tomorrow. No, my fountain's on. I don't trade without the fountain on, bro. Let me guess, bro. The Jdun think indicator prevails and actual trades are 0. Nope, I've taken 4 trades. I'm just hiding all of them. Nobody can know besides me. I'm the only one who can ever know what trades I took, apparently. I'm hiding all the real trades. Ugh. Hey, woo! Hey, whoa! Excuse me. I swear this market just gives me vibes of like it wants to slowly move up and like look like it's going to keep moving, and then this Trump candle, death. That's what you got to watch out for in this market, bro. I'm up 40K on all 7 trades you posted in premium today. Yup. Let's go. If you guys missed those posts or those signals, I don't know what to tell you. You basically trade ICT concepts. I'm not even going to respond to that. Nope, I'm just waiting. I promise if you can remain disciplined, if you can remain disciplined and trade smart and trade safe, you will be rewarded in your trading by not only making more, but losing less. Crispy, I so agree. There's going to be an absolute hulk of a candle coming, and I think it's to the upside. I hope so, if you're in lungs. What is it? Look at this 15-minute chart, guys. Everyone that's complaining about me not taking any trades, remind you, again, I'm not hitting your buy button for you, but besides that, look at our 15-minute chart. Look where we're still at, right in this range. It's hurting my eyeballs looking at MU. Damn, Ripper. I'm up fat on MU. Fat. It's my biggest percentage winner in terms of I turned 4K into like 40K plus on that stock. I made good money on my average cost in the S&P on this account is 405. My average cost on NVIDIA is $98. I'm up 37 racks on the video. That's what's up. This is that account I forgot about. When I seen a video that one time about MU, and I found this log and I was like, oh crap, I just found like 150 racks. I just literally forgot about it for like 3 years. Yeah, my MU average cost on this is $70. I had over 40 shares. I sold almost half of them. I have 24 left. See, there's the freaking the Trump candle BS, bro. Literally. Let's see. Maybe this will give us an entry. Maybe this can give us a nice reversal. I'll look for a lower high here. This candle could give it to us. Maybe like 215, 220 area, stops at like 250. That's not honestly not a lot of risk there. Oh, did I get blocked? Nope. Yeah, I will also be live later as well. Come on. All right, let's see if we can get a push up now. Push up, failure to go higher, then a rejection back down. We're still stuck. Look at this 15-minute chart, guys. We're still stuck in this 15-minute range. I am now reformed. Okay, bro. I'm going to watch for the shorts, guys. I don't love it, but I'm going to watch. I'm going to watch everybody. Don't worry, no secret trades are happening. I'm just watching. No secret trades are happening. Yeah, I'm long off the pivot. That's right. This market's being sneaky. I don't like it. No trend yet. Nothing yet, guys. Waiting. Looks like we're going to now maybe break above these highs. Pre-market high, 15-minute high. We're not respecting them, so I'm just waiting. Waiting for a clean trend entry or clean breakout. Or not breakout, but break and retest. Excuse me. I don't trade breakouts. Y'all are hilarious. All right, let's see here. Maybe this can give us it. We're respecting this pivot still. Let's see. Maybe this 15-minute chart can finally give us something. We got 7 more minutes on this 15-minute chart. We got 2 more minutes on this 5-minute time frame. Let's go, everybody. Let's see. I'm sorry it's been a boring day so far, but I'm going to help you guys become the most boring, effective traders known to mankind. House feels so much better today, huh, Gene? Mr. Gene, this house feels so much better today, huh? It's supposed to rain the next like 7 to 6 days. That's dope. All right, guys, let's see if we can get higher volume here. This could give us a nice breakout to the upside. You know what that means. If we come back in to these key levels down here, let's see, the low of this is 180. This 240 area actually looks good. There's just so much risk. It's like 60 points of risk. I'm going to watch for like 230 area, guys. 230 to 220 for longs. We're going to watch it. We're going to watch it for boom, boom. If it does some BS and goes below 180, I'd stop out for a loss if I do take it. I'd like to see this 15-minute close up here first. If we could just stall for a bit and slowly go down, that'd be great. Close the 15-minute here. That would look really, really good to the upside. It'd have a little more point risk, so we'd have to I'm going to size down my contracts a bit. But being said, it looks decent to the upside. Ever been to Thailand? I've never been to Thailand. Brandon has, though. Brandon loves Thailand. Should ask him why next time he's in chat. I need a good month. I need to make it out the hood. Well, a good month ain't going to get you out of the hood, bro. Consistent months in DOD will, though. We make us some espresso, Gene? The espresso maker? Are you having coffee today?
What?
So will you make us some espresso, bro?
Yeah. Or we don't have it anymore.
Oh, the beans?
Yeah, there's special grounds at my house.
Oh, and then we're out of the ones that we got.
And I can make some of those. But,
Let's make some of those. For fire. Man. This still could give us a nice entry on the 15-minute, guys. Big 245 area. The risk here, if you enter on 240, you just have about 60 points of risk. So, you know, even with one micro, right, 60 points, you're risking $120. So, like, let's say that ends up working out, all right? Say that we... basically, if that ends up being the trade, we have to have a pull back down and then push back up to high day. Oh, for the love of all that is good, guys, look at this daily chart. Just please don't send us back into this range, guys. Look at this. That's the sketchy part about watching the longs intraday is we're coming right into this previous support trend resistance area. That's the sketchy part. I might have 2 days in a row of no New York trades. We'll see. Doesn't happen often, but it's possible. Hey, Jdun, I use your strategy for options, and I just want to say your strategy works amazing. Thank you, bro. You know, it's funny. I developed a lot of what I know trading options, so that makes sense. A lot of people that learn from me end up trading options, and they follow DOD. They do well for themselves. Apple user says, bye, 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 bye. Yep, actually, technically 3 if we include Friday. That's right, 3 days in a row of no New York trades. I mean, there's just like the thing is about today's setups too. They were just you had to have sniper entries. There's been no clear just trends. This is potentially setting up to be one. Like this could be a nice uptrend. Oh, sweet old child of mine. So fire. I got my DOD cup, so that should do something for us. All right, guys, this 15-minute chart looks good for continuation to the upside. I'll watch for a pullback into like 245 to 230. If we break this, I mean, as far as the trend goes, this looks great. If we break this and break below like 180, then I don't know, man. As a reminder, guys, choose DOD. Trade smart, trade safe, stay focused. And remember that long term, you will get more results and make more money by trading smart and choosing quality over quantity. We're stuck in this very odd range on NQ. There's times where you put on the gas, and there's times where you press the brakes. Let's see, guys. Am I still doing a meet and greet? I do in-person stuff a lot. You guys checked out that new Lucid app yet? The new Lucid app is sick. If you guys haven't checked it out yet on iPhone or Google Play, it's pretty dope. It's pretty sweet stuff. Need 4K in them longs. Yeah, you guys should check on that. Get that new Lucid app. It's dope. You can also use code Jdun for the best possible discounts. I appreciate all you guys supporting me. I do my best to help you guys every day, win, lose, or draw. Do my best to keep you guys entertained, give you guys good trades, and give you guys the most value that I possibly can. If we do get to that like 230 to 240 area, I'll look for the longs. I'm going to go lighter size for a few reasons. Between our daily range where we're at and points, it will be a lighter size trade for me. So I'll probably start with like 5 micros in my live real money account and potentially add another 5 if we get a push down and then reversal back up. So my max risk on the trade, say if I want 1 mini or 10 micros, will be like 60, 20, like 1,000 to 1,200 if I go with my full size. Come on, don't pull back to there and move. Come on, man. Sense of feeling, and this is how you remind me. Let's see, guys. Waiting. That video I posted on my TikTok about the GT3RS and GT2RS is going ballistic. It's so funny. People are so pressed. Wait till they hear about the GT1. I heard Nickelback is releasing new albums. I hope so, bro. I'm down. 1 second, guys. All right, as a reminder, I have a GT2RS. As a reminder, guys, if you're on TikTok, I appreciate you guys hitting that follow button in the top left corner. I trade live for you every day. Every trade that I take or don't take is all live. Appreciate y'all being here, hitting that follow, and also subbing to the U to the Tube. I'm live on U to the Tube every day. Jdun Trades. Yep, Jdun Trades on U to the Tube. Make sure y'all tap in, go hit that sub. I'm live there as well. And if you're on YouTube, of course, I appreciate y'all hitting that sub and also pressing that bell icon and pressing all. Time for a DoD boredom full port. Please don't. Please don't. Please trade smart and trade safe. Please trade smart and trade safe. Nope, no trades. Few decent ideas, but they move very quick. DoD is my life motto. Let's go. Yeah, this is insane. I mean, technically speaking, guys, here's the deal. Is that if we get this solid close up here in the 5 minute, technically speaking, it's valid for a 2-bar. I don't like that we closed. We have a little wick on it. We're right next to the 50% retracement. Technically speaking, you could watch for a move down to like 290 with stops at like 270. It's not a super aggressive move quite yet. So for the 2 bars out there, technically speaking, could be valid here. I prefer them to the downside. The only trader I would trade live accounts with if I took their trade. You're so careful with your trades. I think Poop Lips is a better trader than you. You should hire him. He mogs me, man. See what we get here. I really wanted to see a retest down into here. That would have been my main A+ setup. You should write a Jdun song. Yup. I was hoping we get that pullback before seeing this move. Not getting that either. Jdun, where I walk alone. Some old school Green Day. Just literally no retests. None. My streaming power hour in Asia today. Asia is doubtful. I actually don't even think I put myself on the schedule for Asia. Nope. Asia's doubtful. Power hour potentially. Tuesdays are my busy day. I really appreciate your patience. Hopefully it helps you. Being able to sit and watch and not do anything is a skill in of itself in trading, believe it or not. I was hoping for a 2-bar here, but now if we just slowly trend up now, no trade for me. That'll be no trade for me. Guys, Cherry has a dentist appointment today in case y'all needed to know. I hope Cherry has a nice dentist appointment. Hope Cherry has a great dentist appointment and everything works out great. Are you familiar with the concept of a lunchtime reversal? I am. As I like to see price confirm first. We already took out these highs, so I'm not trying any 2-bar, just so you guys know. $5.17. I'm still going to watch this like 15-minute high area 240. So you guys know. 230 to 240 area. 230 to 240 area, everybody. I appreciate each and every one of you guys that has went and subbed to my Ute the Tube channel as well. It means the absolute world. We've been doing everything we can to provide as much value as we can and to grow. So thank you guys all for supporting. Thank you guys for you guys that use code Jdun when you're trading with any of our partner firms. It means the world. Hey, brother, I joined last Friday. Fellwood and made 837. Thanks, man. Let's go. Yeah, they have an what's the rule called? An activity rule. $10K tickers and can't find a setup for 3 straight days, bro. Crazy. You need to take trades. Why? When does the market close? When does trading come to an end? On what day will the market no longer be around? I'm curious. Since we're in a rush to take a bunch of trades, when is the market coming to an end? When is there no more opportunity in the market? Can you let me know when the world's going to collapse? Apparently, there's a date in mind that I'm not aware of. So if you could let me know about that, that'd be great. All right, let's see here what we get. I'm a little cautious continuing this uptrend. Basically, with what we'd have to see here, here's how it would have to look. Is if we get an entry down here, your target have to be high a day. Your stops have to be right here. There's not, even pushing back up to high a day, there's not a lot of R multiple. It's a little sketchy with how price has been. We could also manage it a little differently. Like, let's say we get a push down and a move back up. We could try to get the entry and just put stops like below that candle. So little less risk on there, but also a little more probability of getting stopped out. Break it. Take it. Yep, we'll see. Man. It's close enough to touch it now. Yo, how's the kiddo? Been following for a while. Good. He's good, bro. Thank you for asking, man. Almost 3 years old next month. What would it take for me to stop trading forever? I don't know. Probably a lot. I like what I do. $0. When is kid number 2 coming? I don't know, man. I do want more kids, though. Have I ever been to Casa Bonita? I have, bro. Horrible. Honestly, if I won the lottery, or like just got to the point where I sold the business for like 200 mil or something crazy, I'd probably just like load up an account with like $1 mil and just trade for fun and rip, and still preach DOD to you guys, of course. Hey, Jdun, I got a new type of DOD. Just got engaged to my girlfriend. Congrats, bro. That's dope. Gershan, appreciate you. Or congrats, bro. Appreciate you being here. Appreciate you sharing that with us. Nope, I'm not married. I do have a kid, though. When I teach my kids trading, I'll teach little Riker how to trade. Yes. I mean, he can't learn now. He don't even have an iPad. He'll never have an iPad. I'm one of those weird old school parents. I don't even let him look at my phone screen for FaceTime. Is that bad? Am I mean for that with no iPad and no phone screen or nothing? Am I too old school for that? Yeah, I can't stand it. Like back when I was a server, even this is a long time ago, and even now, like I go out to freaking eat, and there's kids that have headphones on and iPads in their face. I'm like, oh no, never. I will whoop that. I will make sure that I'll never. Mm-mm. Do I see myself in 10 years? I don't know. It's crazy to think. I bet you do, bro. That's crazy. My brother and his wife refused to let either of their nieces have screens for a long time, and I can see the clear difference between them and the other kids their age. I bet. I mean, you look at how addicting phones are for adults. Like even for us adults, like it's hard for people to, you put down the iPhone. So imagine kids' brains, Yep, I'm still gonna watch for a long entry in the 240s, guys. 230 to 240. If we fail this and then reverse down for the day, I'll take my L if I take that and be done. For how I like to trade, the market's been a little trickier last few days, but staying patient. 50% retracement for the day is 192. Any trades? No trades yet. Gosh, I really gotta pee too, but I know I'm gonna go freaking piss and it's gonna hit 240. So I'd be drinking all that damn water, guys. I'd be drinking a gallon and a half of water every day. What supplement are you taking? I take collagen and my greens every morning. I also take electrolytes every morning. I don't take any TRT. I don't take any peptides. I don't think all peptides are bad. But I don't personally take them. Not yet. I also have over 1,000 testosterone naturally. I just got my reading. It's 1,007. I've increased it 100% in the last year by just by a strict vitamin regimen, good diet, and staying consistent with my health. Yeah, for 30, not bad. All my friends that I have go check their test levels. It's like, I don't know what they're putting in the food or the water, but like, it's bad. Like, men's testosterone is so low nowadays, bro. It's really sad. That's why I started researching and taking mine so seriously, and I got on that vitamin regimen, and I went from 500s up to over 1,000. It took a long time. It wasn't quick. But I feel great. Yep, Tunga Ali, I do take. I take maca root, ashwagandha. Yep, it's too low. They're literally training the women. Yep. The water did to the frogs, man. The frogs. And people just eat garbage food. And like, you eat garbage food, you get garbage hormone levels. That's just what happens. Pesticides too. Two days, no trade is kind of wild too. Yeah, just haven't seen anything that I wanted to pull the trigger on. I could go a week without trading. It wouldn't do anything to my long-term trading career. That's what you guys got to understand. You take a week off for vacation from trading. If you don't find any setups you like, you don't take them. It's not a basketball game. You don't have to score to win. I also eat a very whole food diet. I do. I have there is some Ryan of that in some of the supplements I take. I literally eat the same food every single day. Some people say it's boring, but it's like I feel great. My hormone levels are great. I'm extremely healthy. My focus is great, which I know this kind of, people think that I go off topic on a trading live stream talking about health and diet, but it directly correlates. All right, let's see what we get down here at 240, guys. 240 to 230. I'd like to come into this zone here. Our 15-minute high is 245. I'd like to come down into here and find a long. We'll see. Let's give Mr. Smiley some hair, everybody. Let's give Mr. Smiley some hair. I want to give Mr. Smiley some hair. Got Mr. Smiley here. Let's come down, give him a haircut, move back up. Send him on a hair transplant trip to Turkey. My only fear, guys, I'm telling you this right now, my only fear with this potential trade is that we're rejecting that daily resistance zone. So we could just flush through it. That is my only fear. If we're trading intraday trend, I like the idea of trying along in this area. That said, there is, of course, the possibility that we reject that daily zone and move down. So make sure you know your risk prior to taking any trades, everybody. I know my risk. Make sure you know yours, please. It's a sign, guys. I got to piss like a racehorse. We're right next to my levels. All right. Gene, you want to come here quick? I'm setting a limit order to buy for a starter position with micros at 240, guys. I have my hard stop set too in case we saw some crazy flush and I got filled and whatever. But I did set an order just in case. I'll be right back. I have a buy order at 240. This Gene.
What's up, guys? What's up, guys? How's everybody's afternoons or mornings? Hmm.
Just nothing, huh? No hair for Mr. Smiley. I can't believe this, bro. What BS price action, bro? Literally, how does it not get a pullback into that range? How do we not get a pullback into that range? Why can't we get a decent pullback, even in a 245? I had to cancel that buy order. I don't want to get filled later. I can't believe that, bro. How about the 20 EMA smacked? How's it GD likes? GD loves the 20 EMA, the 21 EMA. Yeah, Mr. Smiley needs his hair transplant. Doesn't look like he's going to get it, though. Don't. We got, I'll be live for like 10 more minutes or so. Oh, don't worry, guys. The second I leave, I'm sure it'll give us a nice setup. What did we finally break out of this range and then no setups, no retests. On G, you the most useless FUCJING trader ever. I hope you, if you're gonna talk T, at least have above a 50 IQ, bro. At least be able to spell. On God, bro, you the most useless fudging trader ever. I hope you read this, bro. I don't comprehende, bro. At least if you're going to talk T, spell your words correctly. It's like I tell the fake Jduns. I'm like, if you're going to be a fake Jdun, at least use proper grammar. Come on. That's it. I'll give it to him. He earned it. Where is it? Oh, where is it? He earned it. Yo, Jdun, you the most useless trader, bro. I can't believe you haven't given me 4 trades already. I got on this morning and I told myself I was only going to trade a few trades and that's it. You the most useless of the traders, bro. What? Roblox player. That doesn't, not surprising me. Not surprising. People get mad at no trades. I'm like, well, then go take a trade. It's like, if I don't want to trade for a month, I won't trade for a month. That doesn't happen in 10 years, but you know, if I genuinely didn't see anything I liked for a week, I wouldn't trade for a week. And people don't understand that. They're like, no, you have to trade every day. No, you literally don't. Like, you literally don't have to trade every day. A lot of the best traders on Wall Street and managers don't trade every single day. I'd torch an account over trading, then tilt and torch a few more. Yep, that's how it goes for most people. And premium, Grizzly caught a nice winner today, 1-1. 60 points of risk, 60 points of gain. Gene, do you have the Shopify link you can send me on Discord DM? Oh wait, where is it? Jdun, take any trades, and if it goes wrong, we'll blame you then too. Yep, that's how it goes. Then if it's right, which it is a lot of the time, has been a lot of the time, knock on wood. Oh, it was too fast. I didn't catch it. I didn't hear you. I was picking my nose. I was preoccupied. My dog was barking. Whatever it is. I didn't press the buy button. Yeah. Sorry, I didn't press the buy button for you. I'm still open to watching. The longs are on like 240, guys. I'll still watch it. I'm willing to have a red day. And notice how I always say that too. I just like to point out that like I accept the possibility of red before every trade that I take. So when I tell you guys like, hey, I'm willing to have a red day if I try this and lose, and it sets the standard that like losing isn't a surprise. Are the codes valid for shirts, Gene?
Huh?
Are the codes valid for shirts? Nice. Nice. And just one use each?
Yep.
All right. Damn, I got some free Team Bull shirt codes. Damn, who needs the free Team Bull shirt? Who wants a free shirt? Get Gene packing them up and shipping it to you. merch. Those are some fun giveaways. All right, guys, let's watch. Hold on. Let's watch for this 240 area. Timeout. Got to get serious for a second. $240 area. I'm going to watch, guys. We have VWAP right here. Whatever like this level was. I don't like how this 15-minute looks, but I do. I think I'd be really bummed if we went to like 240 or 230 and then we bounced and I didn't try it. My only issue is that we're rejecting this daily zone. Oh, come on. That's 20 EMA. That's right. It's not even VWAP. It's a 20. I forgot I added the 20 back. GD would want us to take the 20. GD would say, take the 20, bro. And say, take the 20 and ride. Why are you hiding what you're trading currently? Because it's a secret. I can't let you know. I can never let you know what I'm trading. Otherwise, the market makers will target me. My accuracy has been proven to be dangerously accurate. And if I let you know what trade I'm in, then the market makers will find out. I can't believe that, bro. I have a market maker watching you. No, because this NASDAQ futures and Bybit is a crypto broker. Yeah, I don't know what Bybit is, bro. These bears have no steam today. What's up, dog? We need to get back into hooping. We need to get back into hooping, man. I don't want to fly you away. I can't believe that, man. So close to our bounce area, guys. Literally so close. Damn. You beat me 1v1. The test has indicated that is a lie. That is cap, my friend. We hope at the Parker Fieldhouse pull up. I should, huh? Just annoying price action. Can Gene hoop? Bro's the point guard. He's got a decent jumper though. What's your strategy based off volume and price? Tony want to know you ain't guarding me. Just not possible. Bro forgets. I'm 6'7" with a 6'9" wingspan. I'm gonna send your shot flying. All right. Calling it till power hour at Jdun. Thanks for reminding me that we don't need a trade every day. I stayed patient. I thank you for that. Jdun Stockton. That's right. All right. I do have a few free shirt codes. I'm only going to give away a few right now because I want to make sure it all goes through. You can get a shirt or a tank top. A shirt or a tank top. Who needs a Team Bull shirt? All right. I'm going to pick someone and I'm just going to close my eyes. I'm going to pick someone to win a Team Bull shirt in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Front and AC24. Shout out Front and AC24. Winner of shirt. I'm going to send you your code. There's your code. And in addition to that, here's this. Your link to check out. If you guys would like to check out the store regardless, it's pretty basic, but there's the store. If you guys would like to support regardless. I do have some codes for y'all. Because like a Team Bull shirt, you can order one from our Shopify store here. Look at that high day already, man. You just joined the Disciplined Trader program. I appreciate you investing in yourself and in the program. I'm gonna get you a shirt too, bro. You gotta add me as a friend, man. Can't send you a message. These nuts. All right, that's an interesting name. Gotta add me as a friend, bro. I'll never add you as a friend unless I say it on the live. For your own safety. There's the website. There's your code. Wait, I got one more. Gave away 2 free shirts so far. Also, Mayo, I figured out why your account on consistency. So I guess I need to take back the Patrick GIF. If you got the giveaway, if it was a free account, it comes with consistency, I guess. I asked him. So I guess I was the Patrick GIF. All right. A for creativity and for activity. I'll get you a code too, bro. Dad AU. Dads need the shirts. Free shirt. And wait, here's the rest. I'll get you the Shopify link. And I'll even get you a code for some free shipping. How about that? Showing love to our premium community always. Yep, Team Bull shirts, baby. Let's go. They're nice. They're nice material too. If you guys want to support regardless, I put the Shopify link in chat. Put it a few times. Come on. Less than 2 points on NQ. I got you. Where are my boxers? I got gotta ask Gene about my boxers. I wear. My grandma every year for my birthday or for Christmas gets me all these American Eagle funny boxers. So I got some funny ones on right now. No way. You had to switch your payout rules, huh? Interesting. Oh, y'all crack me up, man. Just for shirt or tank top. Yep. No pullback, guys. We got so close. We literally got so close to these stacked key levels. Also, to that 50% retracement. I was going to take the longs. I had an order freaking set down here, just never got there. Order freaking set down here, just never got to it. Nothing. Let's see if I have some FFF accounts as well. Shout out the Fun and Features family for sponsoring this stream. Five Lucids. Well, guys, sorry, no trades today. We'll see if we can catch something during Power Hour, potentially. I will not be live for Asia tonight. I might get on later, but I didn't put it on the schedule. To give out a few shirts to people, though, and I'm waiting on some FFF codes. The taco head's crazy. I'm just blown. Dun, dun. Let's see what we can get, guys. Also waiting on the code. Everyone wants the codes, the codes, the codes, the codes. That is wild. The big red candle right there is crazy. I'm waiting on freaking FFF. Waiting on these damn premieres. I promised to listen. You guys are sponsoring the stream. I need some accounts for people. Lost 400 from this guy. Nope. Literally not today. Not yesterday. What's SpaceX doing? Nice move to the upside. Coin moving. Coin is moving today. Damn. Bitcoin must be moving. Oh, Jason, I have script today and my family. Oops. Come on, man. You're better than that, bro. Yes, I got some codes. Let's go. Yes. I do not ship to Vietnam. Do not ship international, though we do appreciate our European and Canadian friends. I thank you guys for placing your orders for merch. All right, we're going to speed give some of these away. Who needs an FF50K Premier account right now? This second, right now, who needs one? Who needs one? Who needs one? Mills, Teen Bowl Premium member, 50K Premier, done. My gift to you. Thanks for being a premium member. Let's see another one right now. This second, premium member, who needs one? I need one bad millionaire mindset. You better make this $1 million account, 50K Premier. Boom. Shout out the Funded Futures family. Shout out the Funded Futures family for hooking us up with some accounts to give away to everybody. Shout out. Thank you guys all for being here. Sorry, the chat blows up a little bit when we do these giveaways. Please don't get mad at me. 2 accounts just dropped in premium chat right now. 2 accounts just dropped in chat. You better scroll up and get those codes. Promised I'd show the free chat some love. So TikTok, y'all better be ready. I'm picking one of y'all the DM in 5, 4, 3. Gershan just to propose today. And now you're going to get an account as well. Thank you for being on the live daily. I see you're a football player. That's what's up. Let's see here. Gershan with the free FF50K Premier code. Congratulations, bro. There's your account from the TikTok. Now let's head on over to the U to the 2. Promise we'd show them some love too. A majority of giveaways do go to premium, but 50K Premier account has just been dropped right there. You better scroll up and find it. You know what? We'll go back to back. Here's another one too. First come, first serve, 50K Premier from the Funded Futures family. Back to back dropped in chat. Let's go here and pick someone else. All right. I got one, but there's one stipulation. If I give this account to you, it's a free account. This only goes for the free account. This goes for nobody else, for no accounts with your hard-earned money. If I give you this free account, I need you full porting 5 minis on the next trade you take with me to pass the eval. Only on the free account, not with your hard-earned money, not anything else. This account, this eval is for full port only on my next trade. If we can get 30 points, you'll pass it. I'm gonna write it down. Where's my? Hold on, let me find a pen. I'm gonna write this down, put it in front of me. Otherwise, my freaking peanut brain will forget. Hold on. All right. Owes me a full port. Owes me a full. Let's see here. All right, it's only for the free account, guys. If you are trading your hard-earned money, please never do that. Always trade smart, trade safe, choose discipline. But on this free account, all right, let's see here. Who can be trusted to wait on this account until likely tomorrow? Or maybe even the next day. I can't do it without you. All right, 3, 2, 1. Boom! Who will be trusted? Let's see here if they've gotten a... I picked someone. I want to make sure it's someone who hasn't gotten one yet. Let's see here. One of you has been picked. Let me make sure you haven't gotten one yet. Oh, nope. You had gotten one. Let's check. Pick someone else. Let's see if you've gotten one. Nope, I've gotten one. Again. Virgin full porter is crazy. Let's see. Let's check here. Oh, lifetime member Alfie has been chosen. Alfie. All right. I'm going to remind myself of this. You got yourself a 50K Premier. It's 1 day pass. Next trade I take, I need you rocking with me on the full port on that free account. If you are buying accounts with your hard-earned money, do not do that ever. Always make sure you're trading according to your plan. Yep, I got it right here. I said, owes me a full port, Alfie. I'll put it right here in front of me so I don't forget. Thank you for being a lifetime member. We had a lot more lifetime members yesterday, too. Let's see here. Let's put one more right here. First come, first serve on this. Then I got to go eat. And finally, all right, we'll pick one more. Who else has never won one before? Who's never won one? I'm going to check. Three, 2, 1. Boom. Paulina, let's check. Check. Oh, you've won a Venmo. You never won a code. So technically speaking, you never won one. So you will get the final 50K Premier. 50K Premier. You've gotten your code. Congratulations. I have some more merch to give away later. I'm going to go get some food. No trades in the day. I had an order set for 240. This high or low here. We finally broke out of this 15-minute range. Never got the retracement. As a reminder, I appreciate y'all rocking with me. Appreciate y'all using code Jdun. Best possible discounts on all of our partners. Apex, Lucid, Tradeify, the Funded Futures family who sponsored today's stream, and Funded Next. So thank you guys for being here. Trade smart, trade safe, and I'll see you guys later, all right? God bless each and every one of you guys. Hope you guys all chose DOD today. Remember, we're day traders, not take every trade traders, not trade every day traders. So if you are going to trade smart, trade safe. If you guys want access to go buy some merch, I appreciate it. The team appreciates it. And I'll give you the link in chat here if you'd like to get yourself a Team Bull shirt. Make sure Gene ships those out today. Yeah, watch out. You'll get the move now, probably. So God bless y'all. Peace. See you guys.